So this is the part 3 of making a portfolio website only by using HTML and CSS. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So we are in the Visual Studio. Let's create a div and give it ID of second panel. Let's go to CSS and select the second panel by ID. Let's give it a height of 600 pixels and width of 100%. And we will give it a background color. We'll get a base color. Okay. Let's go to HTML and reload the site. So we did a mistake. We have to close the div tag of the nav bar. We didn't close that. So yeah, let's refresh it. So you can see there is another div with a base color. So what we're gonna do is we will link this div with this project anchor tag, so that if we click on this, it will direct me to this div. Okay, so let's just go to the Visual Studio. To link this second panel to the project's anchor tag, we'll use the href and write the second panel with a hash. Yeah, let's refresh it. Here you can see underline. If we click on that, it will direct me to this div. But the blue color doesn't look good, so we'll go to the CSS. First we will give it color black. Let's refresh that. Yeah, here you can see there is an underline, so we will remove that by text decoration. We will set text decoration to the none. You can see there is no underline now. So what we're gonna do in the second panel is we will show our projects. I have 3 projects, so I will show 3. Let's go to VS Code. So we will create the 3 divs. I will give the first one ID Amazon, because I have a clone of Amazon. That is a project. I will give it a class of projects. I'll just copy it and paste 2 times. So we'll give the next ID to the next div is BTS fan page. I'm not a BTS fan. It's just being there, so I'm attaching it. Let's give this one the ID of nature. I have a project of nature. So let's go to CSS, select the projects by the class. Let's give it a height of 400 pixels, width of 20%. We'll get a background color black. Let's go to the second panel. We will give it display flex, justify content, center. We'll align these items to the center. So you can see those 3 div are joined together. So what we will do, let's go to CSS and let's go to second panel, and we will give justify content space evenly, so that those divs can get the even space. So we will give justify content space evenly. Here you can see those three divs are separated now. I will attach content in them in upcoming parts. So yeah, subscribe the channel, like the video.